Hello guys, welcome back to Tube Chinese. I am 𝐿𝐳𝐵𝐲𝐿. Most people only know Stephen Chow, but Hong Kong comedy is much more than that. To really understand Cantonese humor, you have to know the Hui brothers. 𝐵𝐸𝐾𝐿, the brilliant producer, 𝐵𝐸𝐾𝐡, the king of Cantopop, 𝐵𝐸𝐾𝐚, the beloved comedy actor. They are the true legends. Along with them, there is 𝐿𝐵𝐸𝐾, a master of a Lunar New Year comedy genre. If you want to learn Cantonese, you must watch the classic 花田喜事. The cast is incredible. It stars 𝐵𝐸𝐾𝐡, 𝐵𝐸𝐾𝐚, 𝐵𝐸𝐾, 𝐵𝐸𝐾𝐚, 𝐵𝐸𝐾𝐚, 𝐂𝐴𝐧𝐧, and 𝐵𝐸𝐾𝐚. It's the perfect movie for Chinese New Year. Today we're going to learn Cantonese through this video. This movie is set in ancient China, but the characters use modern slang and funny gags. 𝐵𝐸𝐾𝐚 plays Zhou Tong, a bully who loves to fight. His sister, 𝐵𝐸𝐾𝐡, played by 𝐂𝐴𝐧𝐽, is a crazy gambler. They are always cause trouble and makes their mom, 𝐵𝐸𝐾𝐻, angry. The movie is full of Cantonese puns and wordplay. It's a masterpiece of Hong Kong comedy. And then let's dive into the meaning together. Our Cantonese parents always teach us in a sarcastic way. 我知道你哋嘅心梗係好憎我㗎喇。你哋嘅心 your heart 肯定 must 好憎 hate。我知道你哋嘅心肯定好憎我㗎喇。算啦媽，唔錯都錯咗啦。We always say this one. 算啦 forget it. 唔錯都錯咗啦。It means even though it's wrong and that we have already made it. Do you remember this ridiculous news last year? We can also change this structure into 唔嚟都嚟咗啦，唔嚟都嚟咗啦。Even though we shouldn't come, but we have already come here. So let's do it. So 唔錯都錯咗啦。Even though we shouldn't make mistakes, but we have already made mistakes. So forget about it. 媽唔好玩我哋啦。This 玩 it means play. 唔好玩我哋啦。Don't play with us.
我成日打人係錯嘅。
我成日打人係錯嘅。我成日打人係錯嘅。成日打人 hit people 錯 wrong。我成日打人係錯嘅。It's wrong for me that I always hit people。
我而家知錯啦。
我而家知錯㗎啦。知錯 realize mistakes. I have already know I'm wrong。
知錯啦嘛，知道仲要我高頭咁同你講嘢。
知錯啦嘛。Do you really realize your mistake? 知錯仲要我高頭同你講嘢。我高頭 look up. If you make a mistake, your teacher, your parents teach you, just remember don't stand up. That let people look up upon you. Otherwise, it's quite rude. 知道錯仲要我高頭同你講嘢。
娘親識路啊！
娘親識路啊 A written form in ancient Chinese. 娘親識路 Mom, don't be mad.
你啊，打交就多過食飯。
你啊，打交就多過食飯。你打交多過食飯。Here is a comparative sentence. A adjective 過 B. A is more adjective than B. 我比你高 is equal to 我高過你。I'm taller than you. 你打交多過食飯。So here we compare 打交 and 食飯。打交 fight， 食飯 eat。打交多過食飯。You fighting more than you have a meal. So you always fight.
正一就一嚿飯。
正一就一嚿飯。正一 actually is a structure. 正一 and then add a noun. It means you are indeed a what kind of person. 正一就一嚿飯. It means you are indeed a bowl of rice. When people are angry, they will always say 正一 and then add some rude words. 正一心情仔 Ping is here. I will not teach you that one.
你啊，除咗賭錢咧，你乜你都唔識。
你啊，除咗賭錢，你就乜都唔識。除咗賭錢，你就乜都唔識。Here we have two important structures. 除咗 except 乜都唔識 is a question word at the 都 it means all 乜都唔識 you don't know everything and we can also add another question word if you want to know more Please book a lesson with me to learn more. 賭錢 gambling. You know nothing beside gambling.
唉，我真係生嚿叉燒好過生你。
The mom always say this one. 我生嚿叉燒好過生你。叉燒 is a classic Cantonese food. 生 it means deliver. 生仔生女 deliver baby. You must learn a piece of we use 塊一塊叉燒, right? But when we describe something that are not a square shape, we will use 嚿. Here we still use the comparison structure. 生嚿叉燒好過生你. So here we compare 生嚿叉燒 and 生你, right? When the parents are very angry, they would like to just deliver something that you can eat instead of deliver you. Because you always make people worried about you and get angry. So why not I can just enjoy the 叉燒? So 生嚿叉燒好過生你. Deliver a 叉燒 is better than deliver you.
咁我哋咪一碗叉燒飯。
So funny, he say, 咁我哋唔係就係一碗叉燒飯. So mom say her son is like a bar of rice and daughter like a 叉燒. Therefore she makes a joke. 咁我哋唔係一碗叉燒飯. So are we just a bowl of 叉燒 rice?
爭個碗呢？
爭個碗呢？碗 is bowl. 爭 it means own. We still own one more bowl. We still own a bowl to become a 叉燒飯. They're still making a joke while their mom is so angry.
你啊，以後有飯你食，有床你瞓咧，我一個仙我都唔會俾你。
以後有飯你食，有床你瞓。以後 in the future 有飯你食 have meal for you to eat， 有床你瞓，床 bed have the bed for you to sleep。我一個仙都唔會俾你啊。This sin actually is from the ancient words sand. So 一個仙 is even a penny, even a cent, I will not give you. 我一個仙都唔會俾你。I don't even give you a dollar. I don't even give you a penny.
唔好娘親，我戒到啊！
唔好啊，娘親，我戒到啊！娘親 actually is our ancient way to call our mom. Right now we just call our mom into 媽、阿媽、媽咪 like this. 唔好啊，我戒到啊！戒 it means get rid of something. Stop doing something. 賭 means gambling. 戒賭 get rid of gambling. Get rid of alcohol. 戒酒戒酒。
你戒到咩？
So here we have a pun. 戒到咩？ Can you get rid of it? Like, can you see? 睇到咩？ Can you see?
我得㗎，唔信我同你輸到啊！
唔信我同你輸到啊！唔信我同你輸到啊！If you want to have some trash talk and you want to bet with your friends, then you can say this one. 唔信同你輸到啊！唔信 don't believe. 輸到 it means bet. If you don't believe me, let's bet.
你個爛壇，你無藥可救㗎啦！
You should say a root word. 爛壇 壇 is someone disabled and cannot move. 爛 means claw. 爛壇 it describes somebody disabled, but we can use this one to say somebody like useless. 你無藥可救㗎啦。無藥可救 is kind of a saying. 救 it means save. 藥 medicine 無藥可救 You have no medicine to cure you to save your life.
我等你第日指腹為婚個老公先教你啦，係。
我等你第日指腹為婚嘅老公嚟教你。等 wait 第日 and the future 老公 husband 教 teach 指腹為婚 pre-birth arranged marriage 指腹為婚 is also a saying. 指 point, foot is belly. 指腹為婚 Fun it means marriage. Long story. So in the past, the parents make the decision for their children's marriage. They arrange the marriage even while they're pregnant. It's crazy, right?
我冇眼睇你啊！
我冇眼睇你啊！眼 is eyes. 冇眼 no eyes 睇 see 我冇眼睇你啊 I really don't want to look at you. If my mom visit me and see lots of cats, she will say 我冇眼睇你啊 Okay, this part is so funny. I hope you really enjoy it. If you would like to watch more video, please subscribe me. There is the other parts coming soon. I just worried that I can't finish editing it before the Chinese New Year. And yes, you can't. I hope you can watch this film with your parents, with your family during Chinese New Year. 喺新嘅一年，我祝你財源滾滾，工作順利，馬年大吉。最重要嘅係身體健康。我哋下期見啦，拜拜。